Hello viewers, today I want to take you through livestock insurance. Livestock insurance is an insurance treaty or an agreement that majorly covers your livestock that you keep in your farm or your home. And this livestock include, we have pigs, we have goats, we have sheep, and we have both dairy and beef cattle. So these are some of the animals that are covered within livestock insurance. Then you need to understand what is covered, what kind of risk is covered within the livestock insurance treaty. Majorly, livestock insurance covers death of the animal. And this death of the animal must be as a result of the following. Accidents. If an animal gets an accident, and as a result of the accident, the animal sustains injuries and dies, then you'll be compensated by the insurance company. If the animal dies as a result of illness, then the insurance company is supposed to indemnify you. If the animal dies as a result of epidemic, and epidemic is a widespread outbreak of the diseases. If there is an outbreak of a disease that kills your animals, then you are supposed to be indemnified. Then if the doctor or veterinary doctor advises you to slaughter an animal as a result of an accident, maybe the animal has sustained injuries and it has not died, and the doctor has advised you to slaughter this animal so that the animal should not continue suffering, then you are supposed to be indemnified. And also, lastly, if the animal dies as a result of during a birth, then you are also supposed to be indemnified by the insurance company that issued you with the cover. Normally, the livestock insurance cover, as any other policy, elapses after 1 year. And the process of taking this cover, the first process is that you're supposed to fill in a proposal form. This proposal form will capture details of your livestock, maybe in terms of color, age, and other detailed biodata of your animals. Then the insurance company will get in touch with the nearest veterinary doctor who will be sent to your farm to do an inspection of your animals and do valuation of those animals, after which the veterinary doctor will issue the insurance company and the farmer with a valuation report or inspection certificate that shows the value of these animals. So in the certificate, we'll have details like the age of the animal, the color, the type of animal, the dental information of this animal, after which the veterinary doctor will be able to also assign a tag. We normally assign tags to each and every animal that is insured. The tags are always have unique numbers, just like policy number. And these numbers are what we use to identify the animal that has been insured. Because these animals, they resemble. So we can only identify the animal that has been insured by use of tags. So, and the tag number is always taken by the insurance company, and it is always embedded within the policy document. And this is what we use to identify the animal in case the animal dies. The tag number is what will help the insurance company to identify the animal. So maybe let me just also mention, apart from filling in the proposal form, the insured, which is the farmer, is supposed to pay premium. So the insurance company will use the valuation report, the value of the animal from the veterinary doctor, to calculate the premium. And normally in Kenya, the minimum premium is always 5,000. That is the minimum you can pay for livestock insurance, 5,000 shillings. It starts from 5,000. So you have to pay this premium for the insurance company to generate for you a policy document that will show that you have a cover. As any other policy document or any other insurance policy, there is always what is covered, which I've mentioned, death as a result of what I've mentioned above, and this cover will also explain to you what is excluded, what is not covered. And in livestock insurance, the following are not always covered. Death as a result of pre-existing condition. If we do an inspection, normally when you report a claim and we send a veterinary doctor to go and do a postmortem, and we realize that this animal has died as a result of a condition that was existing before the farmer took the cover. Remember, when we were taking the cover, we did an inspection, and there was a report that was generated. Then we'll go back to that report, and the report will show us whether the condition that the animal died from was existing or it was not existing. So if it was existing before the cover, then the insurance company definitely will not pay you. If there is mysterious disappearance of the animal, then the insurance company might not pay you. Then also, if the animal dies as a result of drought, the insurance company might not pay you. If it dies as a result of malnutrition, the insurance company might not pay you. Then if the animal also dies as a result of vaccination, the insurance company might not pay you. And all these that are excluded can still be included in the cover as at an extra cost. We have insurance companies that even insure drought. We have insurance companies that can even include what I've mentioned that might be excluded. So what is important is to agree and tailor a solution. You need to tailor a solution with your insurance company so that they are very clear on what has been covered. It is death as a result of the following, and what is excluded is death as a result of the following factors. So that has to be very clear within the insurance treaty, and it has to be very clear within the insurance policy document that will be given. Then lastly, let me take you through claim. Let's say, God forbid, in the course of the insurance policy, within 1 year, one of your animals dies. What you are supposed to do when you experience a claim, you are supposed to notify. The first person you are supposed to notify is the insurance company, which you can do through your agent, through your broker. You can just call them and tell them, I have lost an animal as a result of death, an accident, or just explain to them. So notification is the first step of the claim process. After you have notified the insurance company, then they will issue you a claim form, which you will fill in. The claim form will capture different scenarios of what happened. Then you'll be able to capture, because you are the one who is in the farm. You are the one who knows, who have the facts of what happened. After that, the insurance company will send a veterinary doctor. You remember when we send a veterinary doctor when we are taking the insurance, now we'll still send the veterinary doctor to do a postmortem so that we can identify the cause of death. So this cause of death is what's going to determine whether it was existing or it was not existing. And the cause of death will also tell us whether it is something that is covered within the insurance treaty, or what caused death is what was excluded. So after this, the insurance company will make a decision to either pay or not pay as per the insurance policy that you are given. If they make a decision to pay you, they will communicate. If they make a decision not to pay you, they will also communicate. But I am very sure if you have the right cover, then they will make a decision to pay you, after which they will issue you with something called discharge voucher. So discharge voucher is just an offer telling you that we have agreed to pay you for your loss for this amount of money within this number of days. We are going to pay you, and you will be required to accept the offer and also provide your bank details, after which the claim will be settled. When the claim is settled and you are paid, and maybe you decide to buy a new animal, you can still take another insurance afresh to cover the new animal, that the new livestock that you decided to buy again. You will go through the same process. You will go through the same process of the insurance to take another cover. So my advice to farmers is that ensure that you take insurance for your animals, because you don't know what might happen tomorrow. You can just wake up one day and find that all your animals are dead as a result of a situation that you might not have controlled. Be careful, take charge of your farm, and take control of your farm, take control of your business, and make sure that you are always on the right side in case of a claim. So keep it here anytime and watch every video about agribusiness. Welcome. See you next time.